Welcome to NobelBiz webinars.
Yes, they need to be a top performer. I firmly believe that is number one. Okay. Now, is that going to be difficult? Maybe. But one of the things I've noticed, especially in this world, since we're bringing agents up into supervisors, if you bring an agent up into a supervisory role and their team or their agent, group knows that they don't perform and knows that they're not good at the job, it's very, very hard for them to then coach and teach and motivate those people. So you want to find that person that's really good at the job, but also is somebody that can lead. So, having humility, having a good sense of humor, someone that's not, too serious about themselves. I always found that supervising in a call center, the best way is self-deprecation. I used to make fun of myself all the time. I'd tie a necktie around the top of my head and run through the call center like a crazy person, and things like that, just to make people laugh, And so it's really is a blend of finding that someone that can do that stuff, but then when it comes time to sit down and really teach, and not just teach, but then enforce that coaching. Coaching unenforced is wasted time. So not everybody fits into that, and so it is a challenge that we're all. People that are in contact center life, we're always, and that people will laugh about this too. When you see the new hire crew in, you're always looking and picking like, that person looks like maybe a future coach. That person looks like maybe a supervisor. So we're always looking for that good blend of skill and will and good personality. Yeah.